Hey folks, let's talk about lambda functions, the quick and dirty way to write functions in Python. A lambda is basically a tiny anonymous function. Instead of writing definition for full function, you can create a lambda in one line. Think of this in this way. So imagine you have a function that just multiply two numbers, and now you would have to write a whole definition for that multiply function and write our function body in it. Now with lambda, you can just simply write multiply equals to lambda x comma y, where an x and y are two parameters that are required, or the numbers that you want to multiply, and the operation against it. We can simply take print statement, call the multiply lambda function that you have created and pass the arguments. In this example, 5 and 4, and if we run it, we'll get the output 20. Similarly, lambda functions are super useful when you are working with functions like map, filter, or sort. For example, if you want to sort a list of tuples and by second element, the lambda makes it very simple. In this example, we can see that there is an employee which has the name and their employee ID corresponding to it. We want to sort this whole information, but we want to ensure that uh, all the employee information gets sorted based on the employee ID. So we can pass sorted, we can set the key we want to sort on using the lambda expression, and the x square bracket 1 implies the IDs which are present, and if we run it, we'll see that we are able to sort the information based on the employee ID. So these type of functions are perfect for quick one-off operation, but we should keep it only for simple tasks. Complex logic belongs to regular functions.